Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use a CapCut PC version. You can use the Pro feature without invite friends. Here you can create your new projects, and for example you can use stock material from CapCut, and here you can use a Pro practicing this one. For example, can add the Pro Video Pro project, and also you can add animation, the combo one with the Pro animation, the Pro effects. So in order to use this Pro, if you want to export your video, you have to uh, join CapCut Pro to enjoy all the features and material. And also if you click on Get Free Pro, you can invite your friends and make sure your friend install the CapCut. But if you don't want to join Pro or get the free Pro, you can use the Pro feature or trial the Pro feature by recording the video in full screen. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the next button below. See you in the next video.